don't know if you know this or not, but I live here now. I live at No Limit.
Hey, what's going on? We just finished Tommy's expedition.
You got a sister?
Yeah, I do.
I thought I said what's up.
We did a Free Spirit recreation tent, FSR, fully electrical tent, Yakima lock and load, rack system, full, all custom. We had to run a track and all the towers and everything to hold the tent. It's a really, really nice tent. We took it out in the woods, opened it, closed it, solar powered. It's fully electrical. Has a keypad, just hit up and down, opens and closes it. Other than that, it's wrapped up. I think he'll be here in the next 5 or 10 minutes, so we'll go see what his reaction is to the tent.
A few minutes later.
Bro, it's sick.
Dude.
You can see it from down here too. It's funky.
Yeah, dude. I'll come down in a minute.
Bro, setup looks sick.
Yeah.
It does.
Like, so dope. I'm gonna be worried about people stealing my Crocs at the truck stop still.
Hell yeah.
Got his bag. Let's see what he got in there.
Oh, new set of Crocs. Got him. Like, I was gonna do the shower, like underneath.
Well, remember two things. The shower's gonna get your ground when you come in and out wet. So sometimes you.
Man.
All right, muddy feet.
Shower tent.
You could put a
Muddy feet.
They make these rubber like tank things too.
Have you seen just the 5-gallon buckets, Tommy, that you put like the thing on top for toilet?
Oh yeah.
Trash bag and cover?
Dude, I'm a job site guy.
All right, yeah. So
We
you
used to
got
live
it.
with
But I
them.
mean, you can make it at least a couple months on figuring it out.
Yeah.
Until you make it luxury.
Oh, bro.
But this is your base.
This is, dude.
Yeah, you're building the foundation.
This just got me excited and doing it.
You're gonna need fridge or cooler. You're gonna need all those companies.
I'll probably get all that stuff to.
It opens you a whole new like category.
Dude, it's so fucking nice up here. Like just like.
Oh yeah, it feels different. Yeah, it's a vibe.
Let's see the shit from down there. Fuck yeah, dude.
Vibe, right?
That's like.
The room.
Welcome to the penthouse.
Imagine you pulling Walmart and that bitch in the parking lot.
Man, that's sick. I don't know if you know this or not, but I live here now. I live at No Limit.
I'm with it. I like the fact that you're gonna use it. He's leaving tonight.
So what's the plans? What's the moves?
The move is to just see more of this country and like the real parts of it, not just hotel rooms, the bottoms of stadiums on tour, like actually get out and experience everything, man.
Sick. What's the first place in your mind right now?
First place I'm gonna go is Nebraska
You heading right there?
right now. Yeah. And
How
then,
long is that ride?
22 hours.
And you plan on stopping anywhere?
I mean, wherever I'm gonna crash with this.
You haven't made an itinerary?
There's no such thing as itinerary, man.
Well, my friend lives here, this homie lives there. I'm gonna stop at that
On thi-
ATV
on-
park.
So on this particular trip, that is the itinerary. So I'm going to Nebraska to work.
Straight to Nebraska.
Yeah. And then I'll go straight from there to Texas because I'm doing a big game hunt down there. So I'm gonna have some cool pictures because there's a rad property that I'm gonna be killing stuff on.
Sick.
And then like we'll be like camping and eating it like on site. So like I'm gonna be gutting everything and like staying in that.
Some of the homies too that you fuck with, like Brandon Williams and all those dudes, you know a lot of them have all this type of shit in property and shit too.
So
Are you into hunting?
Yeah. So like
I have like this thing inside me where I can't kill.
I can kill to eat. I don't kill for trophy.
I get that, but it's still hard for me to remove the life. He can take it, and I can be like, all right, I'm fine with it.
Yeah.
It's just for me to remove it.
Yeah. Well,
My knees start shaking. I start crying like a little bitch, and I gotta hand somebody else the belt. So
I respect it, but me personally, I do like, just having that ability to take that life, feed myself.
Oh, no doubt.
You know what I mean? Like just being able to do that.
I personally like the fact that you're in my life doing it. You know what I mean? So I ain't got to.
Dude, I got you.
Bro, you could stop at so many people's. When you tell them you don't have to sleep with them,
Oh yeah.
They'll like, come over. Well, you don't have to ask if I can sleep with you.
Yeah, I need a parking spot. Yeah. Anywhere near your house I can park?
Yeah.
Yeah, my driveway. Cool. That's the question. Anywhere near your house I can park?
Yeah.
Everybody will invite you.
Yep. No, that's gonna be so sick. Expedition to go on expeditions